Hey everybody, Robbie here with Unknown Ventures, and today we're in downtown San Antonio. There's an abandoned building around here we're going to be checking out. I say we because Matt Explorers is actually joining us today. We're going to do a collaboration. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see that. We're finally going to meet up. He's also a San Antonio local, so I think it's really cool. He's really good with his videos and photography, so I know we're going to learn a lot from each other on this experience. So this is a long time coming. So you guys stay tuned and let's see what we can find. See what it's about. There's a lot of commotion going on right here, but wow, look at this place. So it was an old refrigerator factory built in the 1800s, which I'm still just finding out more information. 1923. That is awesome. And look at this place.
Oh, no, sorry, that's when they switched
Companies.
Yeah, no, they switched from Cherry Street. Their last building had burned down, so.
This is Matt, guys. I've
What's
seen him
up,
on his
y'all?
videos.
Looking up some of the history
San
right
Antonio
now.
local right here.
Yuppers.
Man, this place is so wicked.
Yeah, by the 50s, they had become one of the largest manufacturers of commercial refrigeration equipment. Nice.
I wonder what happened. This has got to be the main office.
And expanded for 4 decades and until intense competition from Chinese manufacturers. They'll have like cold food in here, sandwiches and shit.
Oh, right, yeah. There's a lot of mattresses in here. This place is crazy looking. Wow. Crazy.
What is that? Look, it looks like a gurney. Stretcher or something.
Oh, what?
Bro. Look at this.
Oh, that's cool. Got a UFO.
Yeah, this is kind of like a 90s style security system.
Oh, yeah. I like this room. This is neat.
I like how they tacked on the first walls because it kind of gives that vibe. It looks like they still built it into the old foundation though. They just probably modernized this part. This is crazy. This is weird how they had to do the wiring.
Oh, what? I don't know why, but I think this is a cool room. Look, they got the lights all set up right there.
Yeah.
Dude, it's like a game room, theater room. They have an entertainment system here.
You're right.
Wires go down right there, and
A lot of the stuff that's here is probably just what they didn't clean up. Don't enter, you'll die though.
oh geez, that's not a good sign. But we're all about risk taking here, so let's go for it.
Oh wow, someone ripped that door off. Last time I was here, there was a door right there. Smells like piss. Typical.
Whoa,
Old photos.
dude.
Development plans.
Man, they got everything in here still.
Look at these photos.
What? Yeah, old photo of San Antonio.
Oh, that is sick. Wow, dude. The water's still dripping.
Huh.
What's it called?
1,000-pound capacity.
Oh, check that out. It's like a
Yeesh.
it's an elevator or a riser, whatever you call it. Capacity 10,000 libs. There's a way to do it from in here too, though, but that's pretty sick.
And I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah, me too. That's pretty tight, though. That walkway right there.
That is tight. Oh, wow. It's hearing the water drops. It's freaking awesome, man.
Look at how the roof came in right there, though. Something came out. Yeah, so all this over here was basically a part of the manufacturing part, where they actually did the pressing of the refrigerators and like putting it all together.
This place is trippy, man. Don't want to step over there. It feels a little wobbly right here.
Right here?
and then it drops down right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, be careful right there, bro.
Oh, and I can feel this thing moving.
Yep.
I'm actually gonna take a step over here.
Damn. Look, there's another room there. There's another room there. Oh shit, careful there. Looks like here there's some.
Oh, dude.
That's crazy. Spider mark.
What in the world? Okay. So, let's check the rest of this out.
Whole bunch of bricks.
I don't know about you, but it is pretty creepy down that way.
Yeah.
I dare you to go by yourself over there.
More cinder blocks and stuff.
Yeah, I wonder what the purpose of this is, because remember that upstairs
Yeah.
that had nothing but all these up there.
Maybe this is what's like underneath the actual. Yeah, me too, yeah.
Bro. Twisted tea, broski. This is Ghost.
Ghost. Is it moving?
Shit.
How's it moving? It's like a changing room back there? Oh, it's just a regular bathroom. Damn, the ceilings are low.
Oh, man. Old brooms.
It's pretty dope too. You can climb up to the very top. That's like the roof. Did someone really go across this?
Yeah, I saw that when
I wouldn't doubt it, bro. People are crazy as hell.
is that rust maybe?
Probably. I don't know what this is though. Some sort of emergency system. Like if it was red, it would cut off the whole.
Right. How they feel?
They feel good. Yeah, they're stirring.
I forgot to put my holy water on me today. Let's knock the
That's where we were.
Let's knock the scariest part out.
Alright, guys, this right here, super creepy vibes.
Like a little walkway.
Yeah.
Like if it's a
Whoa,
theme park.
dude, look. That's
Ooh,
all the
yeah.
shit that's caving in right there.
This is not a safe place.
Oh, no. Damn, look.
Is that a bicycle?
That's weird. Dude, that's totally a fucking bike. Who would just leave their bike in here though? And it's old because it's rust. Well, it's not rusted, but there's like a. It looks. It's wet.
That's a. Was this just parked here today, dude? It rained today. There's air in those tires. Somebody just put this bike here.
Dude, for sure. Someone's in here.
Maybe they're like trying to get away from something and ditch the bike. Okay, so we're walking through, we're finishing up here on this side of the building, that is. We were taking a little break here, and we walked by this literally like 5, 6, 7 times maybe, and this is what we came across. Casket. A freaking casket. Not just a casket, but there's a machete in there. Definitely not touching that because,
Yeah, who knows?
yeah, who knows the story behind all that. And who knows what's in that little bin right next to it too. So,
Oh my god, I did
am I
not
right?
think of that.
I am not touching any of this. But here we are exploring after seeing that bike, like, and then this. There's just all this stuff's gonna be behind my head after we walk in all these rooms, dude. I'm gonna be thinking about it.
Joke, it has
This
to be,
is
dude.
crazy. That is crazy. And then the bin over here, the little tin.
Dude, there's liquid. No? Oh,
No,
okay,
it's empty.
shit. Oh, fuck.
it
It
doesn't.
sounded like it at first.
Or maybe they could be in those over there.
Good catch the first son, bitch. Fuck you, peace. Crazy. It's really cold in there. Oh, dude, there's something over there too.
Really?
There's like windows right here, or an office space, a meeting.
Yeah, I wonder if that's what it looks like. Just a bunch of offices, and this was like the main area.
This whole seems to. Oh fuck.
What happened?
Oh, it's just a chair. Yeah, there's like something right here. I wonder how to go back there.
Oh shit, a fucking chair.
That's fucking
wicked, dude. No way. We heard somebody walking right now. We're getting the hell out of here. You heard somebody for real?
Yeah, for sure.
Fuck that shit.
Did you hear it or no?
No, dude, but when you said you heard something, I was like, fuck that.
Dude, it was someone walking.
Could have been that person with the bike, dude. Or it could just be something else. I'm out. Yeah. Fuck that, dude. Holy shit. So we were just inside and we went in deeper this time, and we went into this wicked hallway. You guys saw, and we thought we heard a mouse, but then with this huge dragging sound just moved across, and then we heard this big loud noise right behind us. So we got this loud noise in front of us, behind us, and we don't know what to do besides just run back where we came out of. I was definitely not going any farther in for many reasons.
That's my sticker. My homeboy DJ Frost made it for me.
Oh wow. Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It was like,
Shit, careful too.
Ooh, yeah. Wow.
or elderly people were walking by.
I don't know about this one.
I'm not gonna risk it, man.
No, we're good. Look.
Oh, fuck no, bro. There's some huge holes in this floor.
Over here, it's dirty. Look, right over here.
You're crazy, right?
He said, you're crazy right here. I'm gonna come this way.
Is there a way over on that side?
Trying to see.
Holy moly.
Man,
Come on, bro. It's the only way.
Go ahead, just take a chance.
damn it, Chewy.
We made it, bro. we're already on edge, man.
Get the video of that.
I'm about to go into the 30 level. So if we fall, we really go down. Oh, damn. Look at this.
Yeah, you know what? Like, I was thinking. What? I think I told you, I was thinking with my brother, right?
Oh, yeah, you did.
So, like,
Take a shot, bro. I'm gonna take a long exposure.
yeah, just come on. You'll be okay. You won't fall down.
Jeez Louise.
That's the way you did, like, a tag like that, too, a graffiti.
Wow.
And then you could get the skyline, too.
Oh, man.
Do a long exposure.
All right, so we're on the second, oh no, we're on the third story, right? On the third, oh, careful. Careful. There is the city. Oh man, so crazy out here. Start. Interesting. Look, it wants you to start into that. Ooh, stairs. What is this, the fourth level?
The what? Yeah, fourth floor.
Fourth floor, baby. Oh, wicked.
Yeah.
Now here, right here, you see a battle shot down. We'll go from the
Dude.
downtown skyline. Long exposure.
Watch out, there's a hole.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna set it up right here.
Let me put mine there too.
Put it up right here. Look, you get a better shot. Come on out here. Look.
Oh, fuck yeah, you're right. Hold on, I'm gonna set it up. Hold on real quick,
Oh
bro.
man, look at that.
Fucking Chewy, man. You make me nervous as hell.
Come out here.
saw the majority of this place, most of the couldn't see, is already gone. It's just so messed up. Oh shit, you got cut.
Definitely put him a mask on here. That's so wicked. Walking around, we're at the second level. I don't even know anymore.
That one, that's the second floor.
We're just on the second floor. We are. Shoot, what is over here? Oh, this is where we were earlier. Okay, that's a drop. Nobody walk out that door.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh, that was me. There's a lot of stuff all over the floor here.
You doing another long corner?
Yeah.
Long exposures. We've already made it to over here. I'm pretty pleased with myself today. Look at this.
Check this car out.
All right, so we're actually gonna check a car out. There's a car in here that we're gonna see and check out. I mean, who puts a car in a refrigerator? Factory. What do you got over here?
That's not creepy. Hey, so the fire something maybe, or there's a hood. What sort of hood?
Kitchen? We're in pitch darkness, guys, doing an abandoned exploration.
Oh, you about to make us go that way?
And this is not paranormal.
I don't know. We can go.
I know another way to get there.
Yeah, we can go that way from down to the bottom.
Wait, where's this car at?
Get to the bottom. Oh, wait.
Wants to walk across that.
Oh, we can go to here. Go to here.
What you talking about?
Keep your mask on because it's like really stuffy in here.
Mask.
This right here, there's a door right there.
Oh, it's getting tighter.
Oh shit, is it really?
Yeah?
All right, let's go to that door. Then you
Oh
just
god damn it.
Oh, okay.
This one?
go into the
To the right?
Yeah, right here.
On the other side, behind you. Behind you.
Oh, this one? Wait, we're gonna go in through here? Yeah, there's. Oh wait, you go.
Another twisted key.
Oh, there was grates right there?
I don't remember. Was there?
Yeah, we walked across. In the last video, I have a video of you walking across that way.
Oh, okay.
And there was grates. I don't know what happened.
Over here is what it's hardest.
I swear, if we went right past the car, coming up here. Whoa. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
So you can hear a lot of woods down that way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Alright, so this is the last thing we'll see of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Wow.
Let me know what you liked about this video, what you didn't like, and
Something smells dead in here.
I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
Something smells dead, Ed.
It does.
So, looking over this whole thing, this place was by far one of the most creepiest abandoned places I've ever been to. Definitely hope to find another place just like this, many more to come and check out. I might even come back here again just to finish the rest of it. There's so much here. Well, all right, guys, we have checked out the refrigerator factory. This place is totally cool, awesome, enormous place. Definitely gives you the creeps for sure. But something I would like to come back to. Great video. Got to meet Dead Zone, Mad Explorers here, both these guys, and these guys are awesome. So check them out. I'm gonna leave their link in the description below. So check out their YouTube. They're awesome. They have great videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.